Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roblox jump pad. We will cover everything from finding the item to configuring its settings for optimal use. First, we need to understand the initial steps for accessing these useful tools within your game. This guide helps you quickly integrate jump pads into your creations, enhancing player movement and enjoyment. The next step involves actually getting your hands on a jump pad. Head over to the toolbox, often found at the top of your screen, or check the specific in-game store your experience might have. A quick search for jump pad should reveal the item. You might need to spend some in-game currency, perhaps a few hundred coins, or sometimes you will find them available for free. Once you have your jump pad, it is time to place it. Simply drag the item from your inventory into the game world. Utilize the intuitive movement and rotation tools to get it perfectly aligned, perhaps on a platform or at the base of a wall. Remember to access its properties window to adjust settings like jump height. You could set it to propel players 20 feet in the air, for example, making it uniquely yours. After placing and customizing, always test your jump pad right away. Step onto it to ensure it functions as expected, sending you upward with sufficient force. If the jump is too weak or too strong, simply go back to its properties and make adjustments. Sometimes reducing the force by 1/4 can make a huge difference. Also, double-check that no other objects are accidentally blocking the jump path, ensuring a clear ascent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.